Hi everyone, so today I'm going to quickly show you how I filter my links list and pull out all the successful links from a links list that I already ran just before, and also how I get rid of the domains that I've already run in the new lists as well, so to save myself time running them again, which is just a complete waste of resources and time. So this method is nothing new, but a lot of people are not sure exactly how to implement it and go ahead with it, so I'm going to quickly explain it now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my links list that I just processed earlier on, and then I want to get all the successes out of it and saved in a different file, so that I'm not going to be posting to the Z-links list with the same URLs. As you know, it's not going to work so well over a period of time, and you're better off saving the original URLs in a separate file and creating a links list out of that. So I've opened it up as a source base, and I'm going to use a filter, and my filter is going to be the links list, the actual success links list that I've got from this particular links list. So I'm going to go to the folder I saved it in, which is all the logs, and I'm going to pick the success list, and then I'm going to select present in the filter database, so that it's only going to save the links that are present in the success list from this list. So we're going to click start, and as you can see, we've got 8,634 links saved in a separate file, which is the links list part 2 res in my Xrumer links lists part. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go and do something different. I'm going to use a new list that I want to run and process, but I don't want to have the same domains running in that list that I've already run previously, so I want to pull them out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the filter, which is going to be the links list that I ran just before, and use that as a filter. So I want to have domains saved that are not present in the filter database, which I've already processed just to save wasting time, and then put them in a different file, which is going to be part 3 result, and click start. I can just rename it and just change that and just put new, something like that. So I click start. So as you can see, once it's finished, it's got 359,000 domains out of 550,000, so I'm not going to be posting to the same ones, and they're saved in a separate file. So now that what we want to do with that file, because it's still very raw, what I want to do is check for duplicated links, where there should be none anyway, because of the way I work with my links list. So there's none duplicated, so we're going to then run the backlinks, the blacklist, just to make sure that we avoid as many complaints as possible, and run it on the same file. I'm going to pause the video while it's going. So the blacklist is finished and pulled out 26,505 domains out of the links list. So we can actually now run the links list straight away if you got a very fast server and you're not going to worry about doing 200 OK check. But if you don't have a very fast server and you want to save time running resources that are not even up and functioning properly, so dead URLs and stuff like that, you might want to do the 200 OK check, in which case we're going to go to links database analysis, and we're going to go and select our file that we just filtered and about to run, and do the 200 OK, and then turn up the threads. I'll do 300 and start. So I'm going to pause the video while that's running, because that's going to take a while. So I decided to actually stop checking of 200 OK, because I just realized that I didn't check the check only header in content. So this will speed up our process a lot. So I'm gonna check that and wait for it to stop and actually restart it so it runs a lot quicker. So in case any of you want to comment and say, oh, you forgot to check the only heading content, yeah, I realized that, so I'm gonna do that now and restart the 200OK checking. So it took forever to finish stopping, so I just decided to restart the whole process and go again. So I made sure that this thing is finally ticked this time, and I got my 300 threads selected, so I'm going to restart 200OK checking and I'll resume the video once that's complete. So stand by.